Hello again. We are at Unit 4 with a summary. So let's have a look what's happening there. It will be our first step into food. We will be talking about takeaway food. So ordering takeaway food, and we have easy vocabulary, phrases, conjugation of new verbs, vocabulary exercises, and conversation. Which pizza do you take? So you see only a little bit vocabulary to make it easy to start. Then a little bit of phrases. Then we have conjugation. A little bit vocabulary exercises to make you the way into this topic easier. And a conversation about ordering pizza. We will be back at the fifth part of a summary. I thank you for now. Take care. See you soon. Tschüss. Auf Wiedersehen.